As a professional manufacturer, Scitek Global is certified by ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001. Our main products are Biological Safety Cabinet, Laminar Flow Cabinet, Fume Hood, Autoclave, Freezer and Refrigerator, Incubator and Drying Oven, Water Purifier, Centrifuge, Glassware Washer, Microscope, etc. Almost all our products are certified by ETL and CE. Behind our quality confidence is the high work standard and strict work process of our factory. Average 7 years experienced engineers and workers, plus high accuracy and automatic sheet metal processing equipment and tools, assure the high quality of our products. Target to zero tolerance for quality issues. Our QC team works independently from the raw materials accessories inspection to the full production process and finished product QC. In order to empower distributors, Scitek Global also provides one-stop procurement solutions. For all products we supplied, we are responsible for pre-sales and after-sales service work. This could save distributors time, operating costs, and avoiding troubles caused by quality issues. You will enjoy the service provided by our average 6 years experienced pre-sales, after-sales service team. Scitek Global looks forward to establishing cooperation with more distributors all over the world and working together to create greater customer value. Together, we will be different.
We set up a quality control plan, runs the entire production process, from the raw material inspection to product process control, to finish the product QC, and finally the QC for packing and delivery. We have professional QC inspector, complete QC process, and professional QC equipment.